Well, hello, good morning, and welcome to Here Today.
Where Tomorrow.
And today we are at Burgess Falls.
The natural area.
Part of Tennessee State Parks.
So as you see, our truck is right here behind us. We are one of 3 cars in the parking lot here at 8 a.m. when they officially open. So we're going to take the 3/4 mile hike down. So it's a 1.5 mile round trip. And supposedly there are like 3 different sets of cascades, ending with the biggest, baddest one of them all. The one that most people kayak to, which they're not going to kayak because it's 40 degrees outside.
Let's go.
Let's do it. If this is any indication of what's to come on the bigger waterfalls, then boy are we in for a treat. And this is literally only 28 minutes from our house. So it's probably the place we're gonna bring people for sure. And check out this bridge that used to be here. So like I said, so far it hasn't been very strenuous. A couple of step ups and step downs. Nothing too crazy though. It's beautiful. These awesome rock formations. Can you touch it? Can you reach? Nice. You guys got this. I'm really rooting for you.
Wow.
You get it? I'm really rooting for you because they're climbing on the roots. Well, as you can see, we made it here to the Burgess Falls overlook. There are a couple of different trails you could take to get here. It really wasn't that bad. The stairs was a little steep, especially for Madison, but aside from that, I think we had a great time. Pretty easy hike, and boy oh boy, these are some huge falls. Well, sadly I was ditched. The girls said, steps, no, we don't want to do it. So they're gonna stay up at the overlook, and I'm gonna head down.
Morning.
How you doing?
Good morning.
Good morning, morning. Good morning. No, you're fine. Some other brave souls. It's really not that much farther than where they were, so I feel like they kind of missed out. See, that's the problem. You just got to keep pushing because you never know what's around the corner. And I'll tell you what's around the corner.
Okay, so we are here at Burgess Overlook, and it is absolutely gorgeous. This waterfall is huge. Now, Rob was brave enough to go all the way down to the top of the falls, which with Madison was not something that I would want my 3-year-old to have the access to. So we stayed safely up at the overlook. Rob went down here, and we're gonna add in some footage here of us waving to Rob from the top. He was very brave, and it was definitely worth it. Another time when Madison's not here, I'll definitely get to go down as well. But this has been awesome so far. We've seen all of the major falls, and so we're gonna start checking back.
Well, we did it. We went out, walked on the rocks, walked out there to the waterfall, sat near the edge and almost fell off. This is kind of one of the little ones right before it gets to the big one. Goes all the way down, and then the big falls are right there. So I think that about wraps it up for the hike. We're gonna turn around and head back and then see what else we can get into. It's only about 9:30, so maybe we'll go find some breakfast because I am hungry. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put all the cameras away and do a 360 time lapse all the way back to the truck. Let's do it.
We made it back, and now we're hanging out at the playground watching Madison play after that beautiful hike. It was definitely strenuous at times, but I think overall a really great hike, very rewarding. The falls are just beautiful, just so gorgeous, and to have this so close to home, we feel totally spoiled. We didn't realize how close this was to us.
Yeah.
They also have, it looks like a campground on site too, so you can actually bring RVs here and camp here, and the grounds look very well kept and super nice. So this has been an awesome morning.
So there's basically 3 areas to the falls. There's a small one that is literally right here at the parking lot. You walk down 15 steps. Some of them are a little steep, so if you have a little bit of a mobility issues, you might have some trouble, but it's worth it just to walk down there. You could walk out on those ridges and stuff. It's kind of nice. Then there's a moderate with one really steep part between the first set of falls and the second middle falls, which are larger, but those steps, they're very uneven in the sense that the first step's this tall and the second step is this tall. So
Just gotta watch what you're doing.
Yeah, that one, it wasn't difficult per se, it was steep and there were quite a few of them. Then you get to that second set, there's a couple of benches up there and you can hang out. Then there's the rest of the walk, which wasn't terrible, to the third set. That one kind of went up and down a little bit, but nothing too steep. Then that's to the overlook of the big fall
Of Burgess Falls.
Yeah. So, and then what I did, they didn't do, is walk down to the falls, which was another steep set of stairs. So my knee's definitely feeling it, but
Yeah, with a 3-year-old just being that close to the top of the falls with absolutely no guardrail.
I wouldn't want her down there anyways, but but I think it's totally worth the hike. Anyone in basic shape can do it. You don't even have to be in like good physical
we're not
shape.
in good shape, and we can do it.
Yeah, so just basic shape, and you could do it. So, like she said, it's really close to the house, so I think we'll be coming here a lot. I think this is going to be the place that we bring people.
Absolutely.
For sure. So you're probably going to see a lot more of Burgess Falls, and that's a great thing because it was absolutely beautiful. So I'm really interested to see what this place is like in peak winter, and then what it's like in the spring when snow is melting and the water levels are higher and the falls are grander. So cool. All right, we're gonna watch Madison play on this beautiful place out here for a little bit longer, and then
We'll hit the road.
I would love to get a bite to eat. I am
Okay.
famished. Well, I think that's gonna wrap it up here for this video. I'm Rob
I'm Katie.
from Here Today,
Where tomorrow,
and we will see you.
there.
Bye. If you like this video and want to see more, please head on over to the channel and subscribe. And if you want to get notified, ring that little bell. We upload new videos every week.